Hey guys, my name's Mate. I'm the founder of Nefarious Racing. I just wanted to make this quick video to announce the fact that we've launched our new coilover store on our website, nefariousracing.com. We've got a bunch of new coilovers now listed which we are selling and can supply to you. Right now we've got pretty much all the BC Racing coilovers, the entire range from BR series all the way up to ER at the moment. We're just adding the ZR series as well. That's going to be on the website too. And we've got Fortune Autos, we've got the 500 series on there, and we will be adding the 510s, the two ways, and so on. And we've got a couple other brands coming as well. So if you're looking to get coilovers for your car, be sure to check out our store on nefariousracing.com. We offer free shipping to the US, all lower 48 states. It's free shipping. If you're in Canada, Hawaii, anything like that, we can ship it to you. It'll be a bit of an extra fee, so just shoot us an email. On top of that, if you go to our blog, we've got a bunch of guides here which will help you to select the right coilovers for your car and anything you need to know. For example, monotube versus twin tube shocks. We've got how to choose the right coilovers, a complete guide here, and a bunch of other blogs here as well. Now, I'll be making more videos talking about all the different aspects of coilovers, what you need to look out for, how to decide which coilovers are right for your car and so on. But right now we've already got a bunch of good guides on our blog as well. So basically, if you head over to our website, you can either select your car from the menu here, or you can shop by brand. At the moment, we've got the brands here. We've also got a filter here as well. So let's say if you select the brand like BC Racing, then you can filter it on the side here to your specific car, and you'll find the coilovers you're looking for. So if you go down here, you can select car, make, and model. You can select your car down the list. Let's say you got a Lexus, let's say you got an IS300, you would click that and it will filter all the coilovers from BC Racing to your car. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, pretty much every page on the website has this form down here. You can either fill out this form if you need help selecting the coilovers for your car. Maybe you're not sure what's best for your particular situation. Fill this form out and we'll help you decide what's the best thing for your budget and your use case. Otherwise, you can always shoot us an email at info@nefariousracing and we'll help you out with whatever you need. So that's it for this video. If you need coilovers, go check out nefariousracing.com, and I'll catch you in the next couple videos with more guides on coilovers. See you then.